Chevrolet begins a new chapter in its storied racing legacy with the introduction of the new mid-engine Corvette race car, known as the C8R. The C8R will be Chevrolet's first mid-engine race car to compete in IMSA's GTLM class and the first clean-sheet race car design since the C5R debuted in 1999. It will make its racing debut at Rolex 24 at Daytona on January 25, 2020. The C8R is based on the strong foundation of the 2020 Corvette Stingray. There is a deeper level of technology transfer between the race car and production Corvette than ever before, which helps contribute to many of its advancements. As a result, the C8R shares the highest percentage of parts between the production and race car than any previous generation. Since certain features of the 2020 Corvette Stingray aren't necessary in a racing environment, the engineering and design teams found innovative ways to get benefits out of every part of the vehicle. For example, on the C8R, a single centrally mounted radiator was placed in the area used as the front storage compartment on the production Corvette. Ultra-bright racing headlights were packaged on the race car where the radiators are located on the production car. In compliance with IMSA engine displacement rules, the C8R will feature a 5.5-liter naturally aspirated V8 engine, producing 500 horsepower and 480 feet-pound of torque. A new compact X-Track 6-speed sequential gearbox was developed in order to provide room at the rear of the C8R to package a race car-specific diffuser. Improving aerodynamics, increasing stiffness and decreasing weight from the previous generation car were all primary focuses of the C8R development. The use of computer analytics made it possible to start the design of the race car well in advance of any production Corvette components being available. Chevrolet's state-of-the-art driver-in-the-loop simulator was heavily utilized to evaluate numerous chassis and aero design concepts. The engineering and design teams produced thousands of 3D printed rapid prototype parts for chassis and wind tunnel testing. The use of these development tools resulted in a race car with improved aerodynamics, vehicle dynamics and weight distribution. The C8R utilizes a production 2020 Stingray chassis structure produced in the Bowling Green assembly plant. The chassis is then modified to meet race series requirements. The new C8R chassis structure is significantly stiffer and lighter than its predecessor. With a lower center of gravity and more even weight distribution on the wheels, Corvette Racing worked closely with Michelin to optimize the tire compound and construction to best support the unique traction needs of a mid-engine race car. The C8R will ride on 18-inch Michelin Pilot Sport GT competition tires. Prior to its 2020 debut at Rolex 24 at Daytona, the C8R will stretch its legs on the Road Atlanta Michelin Raceway by performing a ceremonial lap on the track prior to the 22nd annual Petite Le Mans race this weekend.